Now turn left.
You are watching the Gamut Network. We'll be right back.
How big is he gonna get?
That depends how much you love him.
Cleared?
How to take care of your big new puppy.
Sit.
Get regular checkups.
Why don't we get you on the scale here, bud? I'm just gonna write heavy.
Provide plenty of toys. And never run out of treats.
He eats like an animal.
Well, he's an animal.
I'm talking about him.
What?
Clifford the Big Red Dog. Rated PG. In theaters and on Paramount Plus November 10th.
What can businesses do to help fight the climate crisis?
Alcune idee ce li ho.
Do more sustainable farming. It's a thing now.
Use wind or solar.
Go all electric faster. I dare you. I'm only 6. You figure it out. What's it gonna take for you to do something? Yeah.
What are you waiting for?
Climate change affects all of us.
This is your chance to do something good.
If I got to go to college, oh my goodness. I like discovering new things. You get to see what works for you and what doesn't. That helps you evolve as a person. You get to make like a supernova of skill or talent or whatever it is. I've always wanted to go to college. I just feel like that's my destiny. My name is Queen, and I am your dividend.
Oh, yes, yes. Oh, Jared, I'm gonna need you to stay a little later tonight. You know, some overtime on your overtime. Did you bring dinner? Because I did. This is tilapia, and I love it. Yeah, I like to mess it around a little bit. Like a little sleeping bag. Needs about 3 more seconds. Tilapia, yeah. I think I'm gonna have fresh and flaky. I say no, burnt and crispy is the way to go. I can eat it morning, noon, and night. Biscuits. I got enough to share if you want.
I'm Melissa Flores. I'm at the new Sephora at Kohl's. I was able to shop all of my favorite beauty brands, Fenty Beauty, Charlotte Tilbury. I can then go shop all of my favorite apparel. The Sephora experience at Kohl's is available at select stores and Kohl's.com.
When I was a little girl, movies were where I went to dream.
That indescribable feeling when the lights begin to dim.
Dazzling images on a huge silver screen. Beautiful music soaring through me.
And stories feel perfect and powerful.
Because here, they are. AMC Theaters.
We make movies better.
You are watching the Gamut Network. And now, back.
Waxahachie Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for Philip Olive Weideman, who goes by Ollie, a white boy, 6 years old, 4 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds. He has blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing a blue polo shirt, tan shorts, and tan shoes. Police are also looking for Candace Rochelle Harbin in connection with the abduction. She is a 46-year-old white woman, 5'6", 165 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. The suspect is driving a 2012 white Nissan Quest with Texas plates FLW 5767. The suspect was last heard from in Waxahachie. Anyone with information on this alert, contact the Waxahachie Police Department or call 911.
You are watching the Go Network. We'll be right back.
I like what I like.
I want what I want.
I'm not waiting for a special occasion.
I am a special occasion.
It's a place that inspires the dreamers, the overachievers. A place for those who follow the path, as well as the ones who blaze them. So whether you want to go with the flow or rise above it all, visit Bucks County and be inspired.
Era laundry detergent is a black belt stain fighter. It once stomped a stain with such force, the results could be felt around the world. It was such epic stain fighting, even Chuck Norris could respect it. Twice the stain fighting power as the next leading liquid value brand. Era, the only detergent that's Chuck Norris approved.
You start by creating a me character that represents you on screen. Next, enter your personal stats. Step on the Wii Balance Board accessory and Wii Fit does the rest. And with Wii Fit, you can set your fitness goals and even track and measure your progress. The Wii Balance Board accessory allows you to control the action on the screen simply by changing your body movements. The more you improve your balance, the faster you'll reach your goals. Choose from strength training, aerobics, yoga, and balance games. Let's get started. Put your strength to the test with exercises for your upper and lower body. With other games, you push buttons. With this one, you push yourself. Just step on the Wii Balance Board accessory and get moving with Wii Fit, only from Nintendo. Want to learn more? Seeing is believing at ShareWiiFit.com. Find out how much fun moving can be and where you can get Wii Fit for your family. It's all waiting for you at ShareWiiFit.com. Rated E for everyone.
You go on, Judy. 30 years. You know, you're going to be the next Judy. You two are like twins. Oh, that's a nice pen. You're going to get a pen just like that. It's going to be yours soon.
Going door to door may not happen this Halloween, but you can still trick or treat
for UNICEF. Trick or Treat for UNICEF is going virtual this October, so kids can stay safe, have fun, give back, all without leaving home. After this year, kids deserve to have a little fun. And families around the world need our support more than ever. Learn more and join us at trickortreatforunicef.org. Trick or Treat for UNICEF. It's virtual.
Passion for fashion, passion for fashion, passion for fashion. You gotta self-express in the way you dress. If you got attitude, make your fashion move.
Don't theorize, accessorize.
If you got passion, show it in your fashion. The girls with a passion for fashion.
Yasmin, Chloe, Sasha, Jade, Bratz, each sold separately with 2 mix and match outfits.
Introducing the Tony Box, a clever way for your kids to enjoy songs and stories. To play, listen and have fun without a screen in sight. And to collect from our growing range of characters like Peppa Pig and Frozen. Designed by parents, loved by kids.
What if you could invest in the future of kids, like a stock? Not the kind of stock that's about making money, but a stock for social change. A whole new kind of investment called Better Futures. When you invest, it helps kids go to college. Believe in us, invest in us, watch us grow.
My name is Sydney, and I'm your dividend.
You are watching the Gamut Network. And now, back to the show.
If you have any requests for EAS mods, please comment down below and provide a link to an audio alert you want to see.